na ako i-share kagaina or kahapon and mga 9:30 ata na student siya. Yuts! I know na ang camera is mirror. Pero nawala sa isip ko yun kasi nga sunod-sunod yung klase ko from 6 up to 9:30 siya na very friendly to siya, and then lalaki, and then matalino, lahat yun. So, pumasok ako una sa classroom, sa AC. Tapos pumasok siya, sabi niya, teacher, am I late? I'll just study our lessons. Sabi ko, no, you're not late. Oh, you're good. Because you study in advance our lessons. So, you know already all this. Sabi niya, yeah, teacher, a little bit. But I am very confused on some direction. Kasi direction nga yung, namin, parang, connected siya sa direction. Kumbaga, nakalimutan ko yung title. So, yung andon is in, behind, on, under, mga ganon, left and right. So, totoo nga, alam niya. Kasi nga, nag-study siya in advance na wala pang time namin. So, alam niya na yun. So, tinanong niya, is it the same ba daw na ganito? Di ba may iba na back, behind, mga ganon. Parang same lang. So, it is okay ba daw na between. So, ayun, explain niya, is it okay, teacher, na that I say the cup is in the middle of the table, the two tables? Sabi ko, yes, you can use that, but it is good to say this one. The cup is in between the table. So, ganun. Sabi niya, okay. So, kay karon, kay okay naman tanan example, at all, diri na sa left and right. So, hindi po, dito na sa left and right, mga sis, hindi pumasok sa isip ko na, hindi nasagi or nag-pop up sa isip ko agad na mirror pala yung camera. So, sabi ko, so this is right. So, ni-raise ko yung right hand ko. So, this is right. Okay, sabi niya, where, what? Sabi niya, no, that's left. So, ako din as teacher, nalito ako. Sabi ko, no, this is right. No, that's left and this is right. So, ni-raise niya yung right hand niya, pero sa view ko, left yun. Sabi ko, wait. So, here is another example. So, look at this headphone. Sabi niya, okay. So, wait, teacher. Sabi niya, okay, I will ask you, teacher. The microphone of your headphone, where is it? Sabi niya, sabi ko, it's left. Sabi niya, okay. Okay, teacher. Ako din sabi ko, nagets ko na. Sabi ko, okay. So, wait. Okay, I will ask you first. Sabi niya, okay, teacher. Where is the microphone of this headphone? When you see this on the camera. Sabi niya, me? Sabi niya ganun. Sabi ko, yes. Sabi niya, it's right. Sabi ko, okay. So, here. So, when you see me in your screen, I have a mirror. It's a mirroring camera. So, when you see this microphone, it's on your right side when you see me on your camera. But when I turn this headphone, you will see this at the left side. Biya, okay, I get it now. So, ayun, nagkasunduan na kami. So, this is just some of, parang confusing moment, lalo na sa direction. So, ayun, sabi ko sa kanya, so, do you get it now? Where is your right? So, ni-raise niya yung right hand niya. Sabi ko, yes, that is right. And where is your left? The Gracia. Sabi niya, okay. Okay, teacher, I get it now. O, diba? So, this is just some confusing moment, guys. Lalo na sa nga ganun na direction. Talagang nakakalito. I am just sharing my experience. Baka pagkaganon din kayo. So, iyon, nagkalituhan kami kasi nga, mirror yung camera. So, at the end, naano ko naman yung lesson ko, na-deliver ko naman ng maayos, yung objectives at lahat. So, nag-share lang ako sa nangyari kahapon, which is good naman. So, yun lang. Bye-bye!